Hello and welcome to Easy IL, and today is lesson number 1 of the writing task 2. The topic today is childhood obesity is become a serious problem in many countries. What are the causes of this and what solution can be offered? The question is cause and solution, so today we go into write cause and solution type of question. Easier for you, I'm going to introduce the structure that I use in writing task 2. For the introduction, the first sentence, paraphrase the topic. Second sentence, write this. This essay will look at some primary causes of this and offer some possible solution to the problem. Body 1, there are a number of reasons for this, and you go into write the first reason is, another reason is. For body 2, there are several actions that can be taken to mitigate, like to solve the problem mentioned above. Firstly, secondly, and thirdly. In conclusion, there are various factors leading to, and measures can be implemented to tackle this issue. This is the structure that we use to write task 2 for the cause and solution. It will save you a lot of time, and it will help you to achieve band 6.5 or 7 easily. And first thing first, in writing task 2, you spend like 5, 7, sometimes 10 minutes just to outline the body 1 and body 2's idea. Okay, you have to spend at least 5-7 minutes to do this, so that when you write, you don't have to think. And then it will help you a lot, okay, when you write the detail. For example, for the cause, just pick up any reason that you can think of. Actually, the first thing that come up in your mind, write it down. For example, the first cause is unhealthy eating habit. Okay, so we go into explain, like eating too much fast food, candy, sugar drink, easy to gain weight. Why? Because the food contain a lot of sugar, fat, but less vitamin and mineral. Okay, so that's the cause number 1. Cause number 2, unhealthy lifestyle. You're going to explain it. Why? Watching film, browse the internet, play games instead of play outside. It will cause obesity. And the solution, again, you can think of any simple solution. You don't have to think of any amazing ideas, solution, something like that. Okay. Control what children eat. Make sure they have a healthy eating habit. Okay. Educate them about detrimental effect of imbalanced diets. They have like better food choice. Remember this one. Okay. Fast food should be banned from school menu, and fast food advertised should be limited. And parents limit children sedentary activity. Like sedentary is someone who don't exercise a lot. Okay, encourage them to exercise more, burn calories, and control body weight. And actually, in this lesson, I provide you lots of vocabulary, very good vocabulary that you can use. So now we're going to start writing the introduction. For the introduction, again, very easy. Just paraphrase the topic and then this sentence. Okay. Now we start. Childhood obesity becoming a serious problem in many countries. You can say child obesity. Okay, it's becoming. You can say becoming, no problem. A serious public health challenge. Instead of serious problems, you can say serious public health challenge in many countries, in many nations. Okay, this essay will look at some primary causes of this and offer some possible solution to the problem. Again, move on. We go into write the body 1 detail. You start with, there are a number of reasons for the rising level of childhood obesity. The first reason is unhealthy eating habit. As we see here, unhealthy eating habit, and you're going to explain why. Children nowadays tend to consume, like to eat too much fast food, candy, and sugary drink. Okay, The food can cause kids to gain weight quickly as they are very high in fat and sugar but low in vitamin and mineral. Easy to gain weight. And another reason is unhealthy lifestyle. Children tend to watch TV, browse the internet, or play computer games instead of play outside or doing sport. As a consequence, they are become increasingly obese. Okay, so part 2 we write about the solution. Okay, there are so you start with there are several actions that could be taken to mitigate the problem mentioned above. Okay, you remember this sentence. Firstly, is it okay? To start this. Firstly, is it important for parents to control what children eat to make sure they have a healthy diet? Parents should also educate them about detrimental effects, like bad effects, of an imbalanced diet so they can make more healthy food choice. Okay, this one. Continue. Secondly, unhealthy junk food should be banned from school menu, and fast food advertising should be limited. And finally, it is necessary for parents to restrict the time that children spend on sedentary activities and encourage them to take regular exercise. And then you continue. Physical activity and exercise would help them control their weight by burning excess calories. For the conclusion, it's very easy. In conclusion, there are various factors leading to the topic. The increase in childhood obesity, and measures should be implemented to tackle this issue. That is the conclusion. And now this is the entire essay. As you can see, it's very easy. All you have to do is just think up 1 or 2 simple reasons, and then you explain it, give an example, something like that. That's how we write detail body 1, detail body 2. Okay, you start with the introduction, use the structure that I talked earlier, and then use this structure over here, and you think up 1 simple idea and then explain that idea. That on. Okay, you should write this down and watch it again over and over again, and then understand the way that I construct the body 1, body 2. And if you have some vocabulary, write it down, learn it, study them. Because the vocabulary that I give in the essay, you will use them a lot in your writing, and you will have like band 7, no problem. Okay. So I see you in another video. You have a good day. Bye bye.